Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to set Safari download files path. Why would you want to know how to set Safari download files path? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to set Safari download files path. So today I am going to show you how to set Safari download files path. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Choosing Safari download files path is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will set the Safari download files path. First of all, open settings in your iPhone and now first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then tap on it. Now scroll down this screen and click on downloads and now choose your download path. Click on Other and then click on folder icon in the right top corner. Enter your folder name and click on Done. And now again click on it and now your files will be saved here. So there you go. If you were wondering how to set Safari download files path, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.